So Yolissa Hair is sponsoring this fire unit I'm about to show you. And guys, take a look at this texture. We're gonna get into that in a second. But first, let's have a moment for this hairline. You see how the unit came pre-plucked, bleached, and ready to install? Very mindful, very thoughtful, very beginner friendly. I love that for you. And me too. The lace on this unit is 13x4, which means it goes ear to ear. There's an adjustable elastic band in the back, which means that this unit can and will be worn glueless. So to start off, we're going to cut the lace. I like to cut in 3 sections. I find that it makes it a lot easier to lay the lace down, and it helps prevent any type of gathering that sometimes is caused when you install your unit. So you're going to take your comb and pull the hair back. That is, if you don't plan on adding any baby hairs. Of course, if you're going to add any baby hairs, it's best to pull that out first before laying it down with the hairspray. Add the hairspray to the perimeter of the unit and making sure that you dry it completely with the blow dryer. The last step before tying this unit down involves cutting the lace. I know some beginners are nervous about cutting the lace. It's really not that hard. All you have to do is take a scissor and use a zigzag motion to cut the lace. Alternatively, you can always purchase some zigzag scissors. That may be a lot easier. Last, I do like to go on top with some of this Fantasia spray, and this is just going to seal the little ends that might not have been laid down, and then you tie it down with the elastic band. And you want to leave that on for at minimum 10 minutes. The longer you leave it on, the better the melt. So I'm just playing around with this here, just trying to get a feel on how I want to style it. First things first, I always like to make sure that the top is flattened, even when I'm dealing with my curly units, because this is what is going to prevent your wig from looking wiggish. As long as you straighten the root, you're going to be good to go.
Hit a crisscross, make a fall, win the game. Break his ankles, what you doing in my lane? Hit him with it.
I don't even know if this is considered curly hair because it's a curly type texture, but it's not really curls. It might be more along the wavy end. I do like to add my conditioner water to the hair, and I like to comb it through with a lot of strokes. This is going to help bring out the texture of the hair even more.
So right now you gotta wait. I just gotta call cause it's money to be made.
Now, upon combing it, I did notice that the ends were a bit dry, so I did take my scissors and I trimmed it slightly, and then I went in with that conditioner water and I kept combing it. So now what you will notice is that the more you comb the hair, the more it starts to curl up, as you can see right here. How simple is that?
I just wanna
One thing you want to do is make sure you saturate the hair before you start combing it through, and this is going to help to bring out that curl pattern. I did add as a last layer my Cantu Shea Butter, and this is a leave-in conditioner, and I like to use this because it does prevent the hair from getting too big, and this is a very full unit you're going to see shortly, and it is long, so you want to have some type of taming of the hair. Spray a little of the hairspray on the top of the unit just to make sure the top stays down nice and sleek, and you should be good to go. Now, I also like to go in with a light texture hairspray. I don't use like a really stiff hairspray because the light texture hairspray helps to keep the curls, and it also helps to keep it manageable.
I just wanna ball. I just wanna ball. I just wanna ball, making plays. Hit a crisscross, make a fall, win the game.
And as you can see right here, she looks really good, and look how simple this install was. You have to love it, right? So this is a long unit, as you guys can see. I'm not really fond of wearing long blunt units, so I am going to add some slight layers in this unit just to give it some definition. And this is the result.
I just got a call cause it's money to be made. Ring so big you can't even see my face. Ballin' on the court, make them chase. Buzzer beater, shot clock, first place. Got them running plays like they running in a race.
I'm so mad because I should have worn my flower barrette with this hair. That would have ate down. It's perfect for vacation. So if you're going on vacation soon, now, I am going to stand up, guys, so you could see where this hair lays on me. I think this is a 26 inch. I'm not really sure. And guys, I told you this unit is full. You see how full this unit is? Oh my gosh. This is a very full unit. And what I do like about this is a perfect unit to use if you want to like do like a sleek ponytail. Instead of adding hair, you could do the sleek ponytail with the wig and it will lay really nicely. So pay attention. This is what it looks like with a middle part. And as you guys can see, the hairline is very neat. I didn't have to pluck. I didn't have to bleach. I didn't have to do anything. And of course, you guys already know your girl is going to come with a side part installed for you because I wouldn't be me if I didn't. Also, another way you could wear this unit is wearing it up like in a little updo. Because of the length of this unit, the styling possibilities are endless. So dolls, if this is a unit that you feel like you have to get your hands on, don't worry. I have everything linked in the description box down below. But before we get out of here, please, y'all, give me a name for this wig. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. Dolls, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. And before you leave, make sure you hit that subscribe button on your way out. As always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll catch you in the next video. Take care now.